Hey guys, welcome to How to Play Heather on the acoustic guitar. Okay, so first things first, you want to make sure your guitar is tuned in standard tuning, which is E, A, D, G, B, and E, which sounds like this. Okay, now that you got your guitar tuned, grab your capo and put it onto the 5th fret. So now your guitar should sound like this. Okay, now that you got your guitar tuned and you got the capo on the 5th fret, now let's go on to the chords. The chords that you'll need in this song are C, E minor, A minor, and F major 7, which would sound like this. Okay, now that your guitar is tuned, you got the capo on the 5th fret, and you got the chords down, let's go on into the strumming pattern. So the strumming pattern for this song is down, up, down, up, down, which would sound like this. Okay, you guys want to play that strumming pattern 2 times for each chord that's played in the song. So 2 times for the C chord, 2 times for the E chord, 2 times for the A minor chord, and 2 times for the F major 7 chord. Quick tip, if you guys want to make it sound like the original version, use the flesh part of your thumb on the whole song, except on the chorus. On the chorus, you want to strum normally. So if you guys want to see what it sounds like, it'll sound like this. Versus... Okay, now that we've got the guitar tuned, strumming pattern, the chords, and the cables on your 5th fret, let's have some fun.